Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking my senior portraits. So I wanted to film today so I can show you guys how I do my makeup. You guys, it is literally the hottest day ever. It is so hot, maybe because I just straightened my hair in this heat, so it's extra hot. And you guys, I don't know how I'm doing it, you guys, but it's super hot. Please give this video a big thumbs up because it's very hot. You guys, I straightened my hair. I was gonna film like a whole straightening my hair video, but I was in a rush straightening my hair. Like, I'm surprised I even finished already. That is why I didn't film my hair. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I don't really do my eyebrows on camera anymore because they have been coming out trash lately. Like, why do you do this to me? So let's hope today is a good eyebrow day. I've been using my Anastasia pomade since I don't have an eyebrow pencil anymore. And I just feel like I'm an eyebrow pencil girl, you know? Okay guys, so warning, I'm about to start singing in a bit. And I just wanted to say that I don't know how to sing, but I do enjoy it. And I also didn't really know the lyrics at the time, so yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Ten valor de decir que ya no quieres seguir. Si intentar no es el plan, entonces ya te perdí. Extrañaré tus besos, sé que cada uno fue genuino. Mi amor fue real, pero al final siempre lo arruinó. Quiero detenerte, pero si te vas, llévame contigo. Lo menos que quisieras que se divida nuestro camino. No lo consigo de cualquier manera. Sin quererlo, siempre un pensamiento tuyo llega. Te amo y no quiero vivir en la soledad. Mi amor, te pido a gritos que le tengas piedad. Piedad, que mi amor por ti nunca se me va. That's what happens when YouTube doesn't let you listen to music. So to avoid copyright, we're just gonna be singing, you guys. I literally take forever on my eyebrows. My hair is going to turn curly. I need to carve out my eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And then I'm gonna mix it with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And this one is in the shade Cashew. This one is too dark for me and this is too light, so together they will make the perfect shade. And I'm setting everything because I don't want any oil coming through. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Peach Perfect setting powder. I'm still debating on if I should use this or not for the rest of my face, because I didn't do a flashback test. So if I have flashback in my pictures, that will be bad. So I don't think I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna do something super crazy. I'm going to bake my eyebrows just because I cannot have them oily. Brush your eyebrows because you don't want any powder spots on your eyebrows. Okay guys, so next I'm taking my sweet chocolate bar from Too Faced. It's like a brown. So I'm going to go in with that. I'm going to do something super natural. I'm taking this brown and we're going to do something super simple. This darker shade right here. I realized that I want a deeper shade right here in the outer corner. So the next thing I did was take this one right here. It's like this bone shade color from my Anastasia Prism palette. I'm so sorry you guys, I don't know if you guys can see. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner. This is the AOA Studio Liquid Liner in the shade Black. And this is from my Shop Miss A haul. If you guys haven't seen it, go watch it. start doing my face, and even though it's super hot, I'm gonna do it while my lashes are drying. I'm gonna start with my primer. So first I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So this one is gonna go all over my face, like everywhere. You guys, I have less than 30 minutes, oh my gosh. And I still have to see what I'm gonna wear. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Wow, that's a long name. I'm going to put this on my nose because my nose be playing tricks on me, and on my forehead a little bit, just because I'm trying to be oil free. Okay, so foundation, I'm using this up to 24-hour Stay from Maybelline. Okay, so for concealer, I will also be mixing. I'm using the Infallible Full Wear. The Maybelline Fit Me, the lighter one, just under my eyes because I need it. Here I started contouring with my Parquet Princess palette, and I'm doing a voiceover because I didn't have time. So anyway, you can see me here contouring my forehead now. Now I'm taking this blush from my Back Talk palette by Urban Decay. Okay guys, I'm in a hurry, I'm sorry, I can't talk. Oh no, I think I put too much blush. Yet I continued to put on more blush. My poor highlight. Did you guys feel that scare and that pain that I felt? You guys, what is this? My hair is still curly. Oh my gosh. I literally have to leave right now. So this is after I took my pictures. I got home and this is my attempt at taking a golden hour selfie. Did not happen, you guys. But oh my gosh, I'm so cute. So I was literally rushing for no reason, you guys. I was there for the longest time ever, you guys. I could have taken my time. I could have went until 5 o'clock. I honestly didn't like my pictures, but it wasn't going to get better than that because I wasn't the one taking the pictures. So I just left it like that. Like, if I take them, you guys, I look so good. But like, if someone else takes them, like, they make me look so ugly. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me rush. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you even watched this video, this was honestly a pointless video. But if you watched it, thank you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!